Hey everyone! Looking for the best electric reciprocating saw to power through your cutting tasks? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing electric reciprocating saws of the year. Considering power, durability, features, and real-life performance, make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Porter Cable 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw. The Porter Cable 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw earns its place on this list for its cordless convenience and impressive portability. Designed for mobility, this model is ideal for projects where access to a power outlet is limited or for working in locations that demand quick movement between cuts. Its motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute with a 1-inch stroke length, enabling efficient cutting through wood, metal, and other common materials. The variable speed trigger allows precise control, making it suitable for both aggressive cutting and more delicate tasks. This adaptability ensures it can handle a variety of project requirements. The compact design, measuring only 14½ inches in length, makes it easy to maneuver in confined spaces. This is particularly beneficial for construction work, plumbing, and repair jobs where space is tight. The pivoting shoe helps maintain consistent contact with the workpiece, improving cutting stability and accuracy. Changing blades is quick and easy thanks to the tool-free blade release system, eliminating downtime and allowing you to switch tasks seamlessly. Number 4. Inequalit 6 Amp Reciprocating Saw. The Inequalit 6 Amp Reciprocating Saw delivers an impressive balance of power and user-friendly features, making it a great option for those who want solid performance without overspending. Its 6-amp motor generates up to 3,000 strokes per minute, allowing it to handle materials like wood logs, pallets, PVC pipes, plastics, and even cast iron pipes with ease. Its 4/5-inch stroke length and maximum cutting depth of 4½ inches make it versatile enough for most household and workshop cutting needs. The inclusion of a lock-on button is a thoughtful touch, enabling continuous operation without constant finger pressure on the trigger. This is particularly beneficial for extended cutting tasks, reducing hand strain. The quick-change chuck system allows for tool-free blade replacements, so switching from a wood to a metal blade is quick and hassle-free. The pivoting shoe, which can tilt up to 15 degrees, enhances maneuverability and provides stability during angled cuts. The adjustable front shoe extends blade life. Number 3. BOSCH RS325 Reciprocating Saw. The BOSCH RS325 is a compact yet powerful reciprocating saw designed with professional users in mind. Packing a 12-amp motor into a lightweight 7-pound frame, it strikes an impressive balance between strength and maneuverability. This high power-to-weight ratio makes it perfect for extended use, especially in overhead or awkward cutting positions where heavier models might cause fatigue. One standout feature is its orbital action, which allows for faster and more aggressive cutting through wood and other materials. This feature is especially valuable for demolition work, where speed and efficiency are priorities. Despite its powerful cutting action, the BOSCH RS325 remains smooth to operate, thanks to its ergonomic handle design that minimizes vibration. The saw's compact size, just under 18 inches long, allows it to fit into tight spaces where larger saws cannot reach. This is particularly useful for plumbers, electricians, and contractors working in confined areas. Number 2. GALAX PRO 120V Reciprocating Saw. The GALAX PRO 120V Reciprocating Saw earns its spot for being an affordable yet surprisingly capable performer. While it may not have the sheer power of higher-end professional models, it offers exceptional value for those who want solid cutting performance for home projects or light to medium-duty work. Its 6-amp motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, making it capable of cutting through wood, sheet materials, PVC piping, and even softer metals. One of the key advantages of this model is its adjustable front shoe. This feature not only allows you to maneuver easily around objects, but also ensures you can use the full length of the blade, extending its lifespan. The pivoting shoe, which can tilt up to 15 degrees. Number 1. DeWalt Reciprocating Saw. The DeWalt Reciprocating Saw stands out as our best pick for its balance of raw cutting power, precision, and versatility. Designed for both heavy-duty professionals and serious hobbyists, it delivers performance that can handle everything from aggressive demolition to more delicate material shaping. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, this tool is engineered to slice through dense wood. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.